guys, thanks for joining me today. So I'll be doing an unboxing video of the Millennium Falcon. This is going to be a Christmas gift because I'm not into Star Wars, sorry. But this one was on clearance at Hobby Lobby for only $15. It is originally $60 kit by Diamond Dotz, which is actually Camelot Dotz again. So a lot of their Disney Star Wars ones, some of them are powered by Camelot. Some of the Disney ones are Diamond Dotz, but this one is from Camelot Dotz. It is a 20.2 by 20.2, so just about a 20.20. So again, this one is not a full drill. On the box you can see here in the circle, it's just the Millennium Falcon and the symbol. It is not the whole canvas. So this one's gonna have a lot of grays. Again, the harder canvas, which I'm cool with. And then you have your Millennium Falcon coming out. I'll turn it this way so I can hold it. In the sky, above Earth. So, Diamond Dotz and Camelot Dotz, I think, does a really good job on the background colors. They look really good when it's a partial like this. Very clear printing. It's not blurry. You can tell that it is the Earth. The words are very nice. The stars in the background are very nice. So they do a good job at that. You do have your two key symbols on the top right and bottom left. Again, mainly grays and a few browns, blacks in there. No AB. Oh, no, wait. Take that back. There is ABs in this one. White ABs are in this one. Again, the symbols are very clear and very clean. You can see them. No problem there. Let's see if I can actually get you to see the Falcon symbol, if this is actually what that is. Again, I am not a Star Wars fan, so I do not know. And I know it's upside down. But I was trying to get it to focus in so you can see how clear the symbols are, but it does not look like it's going to focus. Sorry. But very clear, poured glue. All Diamond Dotz are poured glue. I've never had a real problem with no glue spots being on there. So let's jump into the drills. So again, you should have your standard Diamond Dotz drills plus your standard toolkit, which is a stylus, one of their wax caddies, a boat, and some baggies. So standard toolkit. Again, Diamond Dotz has their own unique drill codes, so if you want the DMC codes, you will need to go to their website and download the conversion chart to be able to convert them, or you can look it up. But again, here are your AB drills, white AB drills, brown, and yes, these are the original flat top, what I call flat top. I don't know if I can get you to see what I mean by that. There. Whoop. Come on. The flat top. See how they're flat on top? They're shaped more like a diamond on top than a pointy top to it. They do only have 13 facets, but those 13 facets catch the light amazingly, and they're designed to catch light just the right way. Just like when you buy a diamond ring, they do not have a gazillion facets. They have just enough facets to catch the light correctly for it to sparkle, and that is what Diamond Dotz has done. So not too many colors. Again, mainly grays and a few blacks in there and a few brown and AB colors. So very short unboxing video. If you'd like this kit, I'd suggest if you're near a Hobby Lobby, go check them out. They had a few other kits on clearance, so perfect timing to get those Christmas gifts and all that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Have a good day.